Take a moment to check out the 2016 Toyota RAV4. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this compact and rugged Toyota RAV4, the distinctive crossover that maximizes safety, comfort, and efficiency. You'll love its driver assistance tech, refined cabin, and infotainment system. With its suspension tuned for agility, this SUV adds confidence and fun to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Optimize your driving experience in this rugged yet refined RAV4. Our team of courteous professionals will help you make the most of your vehicle search. Kick it off with a fun, easy, and informative test drive.